Tell the world what was in this box, huh?
I can't see the side.
What's going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video. And yes, as you see, my guest star appearance is none other than the wife again.
What's good? What's good, YouTube?
Yeah, right. So we are back again with another unboxing. This time we're doing not just another 10R, but a different color. A color that she wanted and had debated on between this one and two other colors. And
Which two other ones? Oh, red.
She already didn't forgot. This was just
no.
3 days ago.
It was really just two, coral and yellow.
I wasn't trying to tell him yet.
Oh, okay. Well, you need come on.
So without further ado, as you guys see, I got my product red right here. We're gonna use this as a comparison. Still clean. It's still got, I mean, got some, fingerprints on it. You know what I'm saying? But look at just that red. It's just this beautiful, guys. This phone is just, it's won me over, guys. It's won me over. So without further ado,
I've been trying to tell him Apple is a beast. Like, I don't know how many years, and he finally came over. It's been years I've been trying to get him to go to iPhone. Years.
I don't want to hear none of that, okay? All right. So, she's about to unbox her iPhone, and let's get her first hand experience. Okay, don't cut yourself. Oh, girl, now, didn't they just say on the end there, just full open on the side?
Yeah, it had tape though.
Oh, okay. You sure you're pulling from the right side? Do I need to help you?
Grip and rip.
No, that's. Oh, okay.
Oh.
You see who does unboxings around here. Look at that. Look at that. Of course, we got from T-Mobile. Okay. Hey. Okay. She understands. Okay, show it off. Show it off. Okay, that's the cord looking orange.
Ooh.
Looking orange. The detail. Yeah, 128 gigabyte. The detail on the box is magnificent. Side note. Wow. Okay, just. Couldn't even ASMR over here.
Oh.
She's just rushing into it. We'll get you on the phone. Continue as she is unboxing it. Okay. 12.1 or 12.1 dropped as far as the new iPhone update. I love the box and what they've done with the 10R.
See,
is that gold?
Well,
it's coral.
I know it's.
Now, that looks coral. The phone look orange, but that look coral. Right there.
This is coral. Coral.
That look more coral. Yeah.
Really? So what are you saying the phone looks like?
The phone looks orange.
Oh my god. No. It does not look orange.
Nonetheless, as she continues to go through the unboxing experience here, just not showing nobody anything right now.
Okay, we don't want to see this boring. We want to see these boring books.
Okay. Alright. So, okay.
Okay, you gonna talk or are you gonna?
Well, you over here moving real quick. Just understand the unboxing experience. Oh, she just. You see, that's how she unboxes stuff. So as I was saying right before she pulls out the phone, 12.1 drop today on this Tuesday, October 30th, along with the Apple event. And I will say it's pretty good. Ads group, FaceTime, all that fun stuff, more emojis and everything. And it actually frees up a little bit of space on your phone as well. I saw everything Apple Pro guys said it freed up about 4 gigs of space. I'm gonna check mine out. But before I do that, let's see what this coral looks like in person.
Orange,
wow.
where?
Look, all these corals look different then, because y'all know what I'm talking about.
This look coral. This don't look orange.
Actually, no, that does look a lot more pink.
That looks pink.
It looks like salmon.
Yes.
That's clean, though.
I think it's Mobby. Maybe Mobby. I think it's the lighting, because look, from this angle,
true,
it looks more orange, but from this angle,
it looks the same color. No. Oh no, now but you tilt it from side to side, that's when you get the little bit of orange.
It's like pink.
Show it to them too now.
Okay. The light makes it look lighter though.
Yeah, it definitely does. But that actually looks nice. It looks like a pastel color.
Yeah.
So if you compare
really
it real quick against mine, you see the stark difference. I got that beautiful, gorgeous product red. She has that we don't know what it is color.
Thumbnail.
Oh, you want to go thumbnail?
Wait, do it again.
Actually, we're going to do a different thumbnail, but continue.
Okay. So since you want to do some ASMR.
Satisfying. Okay, looking clean. And it should be easy for you to set it up, right? All you gotta do is tap it to the back of another iPhone or something. And then transfer files. That's what I thought.
Well, I don't want it to transfer nothing from my other phone. Well, just my contacts.
Oh, why not?
Cause I don't need nothing else for my contacts.
You don't need no pictures or nothing like that.
No.
Okay. I mean, don't your settings like
maybe like
to?
little pictures, but no, I don't. Cause I turn it on. I like to redo my iPhones every time.
Oh, okay. She's special. You know, I did mine from scratch because I didn't have nothing to transfer from. So, and so far it's been good. Matter of fact, like I said, I'm gonna check my storage. Oh my goodness, this one, guys. Woo!
Make sure it turns on.
Yeah, make sure it turns on. You gotta
okay,
repeat.
hello. You know, you get in different languages. Hola.
Okay. So for mine, it didn't necessarily free up that much space.
Oh wait, I'm trying to figure out. Do I have to?
I'm about to find out now. But no.
Do I have to get my SIM card?
You just move your SIM card to that card or to that phone.
Do I need to do that?
Yeah, in order for you to have service.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the little SIM ejector thing?
It should be in the box. Right there. Yep. Yeah. Who cares about? Mm-hmm. So mine didn't clear up, but I mean, if you guys can see, I have 16. I've used 16 gigs out of 64. I really don't plan on using that much more, of course.
Which one is it?
What, you want 5 cards?
Okay.
So, but maybe, I don't know what was going on with his, but maybe he was running beta. I don't know, but I could say maybe it freed up like 0.4 gigs, maybe, I don't know, something like that. Or did it free? Oh, you know what? No, it didn't. So I still have plenty of space, no big deal. But that's that 12.1. And as we see her, trying to set hers up right now. I've gotten real used to this real quick too, just being able to operate it. I like that raise to wake and tap to wake feature on the XR. I'm gonna have my reviews coming next week around next Monday. I have a video or two I would like to drop before then about why I decided to finally give Apple a shot. And another video I will withhold as far as the name. Have you changed it over yet?
Mm-hmm.
Or you have your other phone on?
No.
Okay. Well, she's about to set up a Face ID real quick, so let's watch the head. Okay. Let me tell you. Look at you, ain't even going the right way.
Oh, I'm not?
Oh my goodness. She's having issues. You guys see her over here? Yeah, you guys see her. She can't even.
I was going the right way.
No, it's supposed to be clockwise.
Oh.
You back it up from your head a little bit more and go in the circle. There you go. She over here, dude. Guys.
Okay.
Alright, so she's choosing her passcode. But yes, we just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. Hopefully this was quick, and I might try to edit it down even more, but the unboxing of the coral colored iPhone XR 128GB version. What do you think about the phone? Quick impressions?
I'll turn my iCloud back up. I really like it.
Oh.
I really like it, guys. It's really nice. I really love the color because pink is my favorite color, as you see. And
I can barely see that color pink.
Well, it's like a blush pink.
That's that not pink Google Pixel 3 color right there.
Okay. But yeah, that's what. So this is the closest thing to pink. That's why I got it.
Yeah, I will say the aluminum frame is pink.
Yeah, this is definitely pink.
That's what rose gold.
Yeah, that's what rose gold. And that's the thing. I always wanted to get the rose gold, like from the 6, the 6S and on, but I could never get it because like every girl had the pink and it was always sold out. So I always end up with gold or black. But this time I was like, I gotta get something closest to pink.
Okay.
But then in the future, I think they should add a pink phone to, the color chart.
They might get a green, they might get a purple. It might come down the line. You never know.
But I like this. I like his red too. I almost was gonna get the red.
That red, you know what I'm
Because
saying?
the girl in the store when we got it, she
had gotten the product
red.
red, and that is very enticing.
Yeah.
But I mean, shoot, I can almost see myself rocking this coral just because it doesn't look like girly.
Yeah, the one that would kind of does.
Different angles. I put a skin on it. I'll put a skin on it. That's that pink lemonade color right there.
Yeah, it is. It really looks like that.
Mm.
But yeah, I like it. So, and I got my clear case coming.
Okay. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Your boy Versatile signing out. And until the next video. That product red.
And that sound man.
Wait for it.